Hello, how's it going? Right now we're going to teach you how to properly fill out a Campus Club's reimbursement form. So on the Wolusi website, you're going to go under the Opportunities section. Under the Campus Club section, we're going to go to Documents and Forms. You're going to find then the reimbursement form. You can open that right up. And this is the 2011-2012 form. It changes every year, so make sure that you're operating on an updated form. In payee, you will type the individual's name. First and last, who is to receive the check or petty cash. You can also put an organization that you are donating to or paying an invoice to. Then you're going to type in their phone number and email. After that, if the individual would like the check to be mailed to them, you can indicate their full mailing address. Because they would like it to be mailed to them, we're going to indicate that in the mailbox. Next, we're going to indicate whether or not we are an internal campus club or a faculty association campus club. Wolusi is internal, SICTA is arts, Fawcett is science, SPSS is business, and then there's also music and education. After that, we're going to indicate what our full club name is with no acronyms. After that, we're also going to put in our club account number, which is a 4-digit number that we're given upon approved club status. This is a number that we'll need to know for the entire year. Next, please indicate if the expense is an invoice, a reimbursement, or an internal transfer. An invoice is when a check is being made for an outside organization. A reimbursement is when a club member is being reimbursed. An internal transfer is when we are paying an inside organization at WLU, like catering services or physical resources. Right now, we are doing a reimbursement for John. The next section with the expenses and totals must be completed on a computer and not by hand. In the invoice receipt number section, you can name the receipt that you're describing or indicate the receipt invoice number found on your receipt. Please indicate the date on the receipt. In the description section, please indicate what you bought and why you bought that for your club. In terms of budget funds, you can only spend money on what you are approved for. The invoice total is the full price including tax that you've paid or need to have paid. This is the total amount on your receipt. The HST portion is the taxes on your receipt or invoice. Column C, the subtotal, will compute by itself, so you do not need to type in this column. You will be reimbursed for column A. On the right-hand side, please also indicate whether this expense is to come out of your budget or club funds. Budget funds are those that are given to you either by your faculty fees or by the students' union. Club funds are those that you have raised on your own and deposited into your club bank account. If you are using a combination of both, write the amounts to be taken from each account. The requester is the club member who is submitting the reimbursement form, usually the finance executive or the president. The date requested is the date that the reimbursement form was put into the Campus Club's mailbox in the Wolusi offices. The requester email. The period is to be filled in by the requester. The period dates are located on the Campus Club's Documents and Forms section on the Wolusi website. There are 13 periods in the fiscal year. The period dates are located right at this link right here. For the time that we purchased our Meet the Profs Night decorations, it was in period 8. If you are a faculty club, you must obtain the signature of your faculty advisor. All clubs must have the president's signature. For faculty clubs, check with your faculty association about which signature is required, either your faculty association president or your club president. Once the document is handed into the Campus Club's mailbox in the Wolusi office, the VP will approve, process, and sign the form. The gray areas on the form are for internal use only. If this form with your receipts attached to the back side of the form are handed in before Tuesday at 12 to the Campus Club's mailbox in the Wiluso offices, your check or petty cash letter will be ready at the U desk the same Friday morning. If you would like the check to be mailed, we can also mail it that same Friday of the Tuesday that you handed it in. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the department. You can contact your Campus Club's liaison coordinator, the VP CCFA, or the Student Experience Manager. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.